So my mission is simple. I just want to teach you guys step by step so that you understand how I do some of these things, because these are the ways you can make money online. I'm sure you saw this video where I said I hired someone to do and report crypto news so that we know what's happening in the world. That way we will be able to make better decisions. So I am going to show you how I create this video so that you can do the same if you are planning to create a YouTube channel, and then you can just upload videos like this and make money. Go to this website where you can create an account. You can start a free trial, and then you are limited on how many videos you can create every month. And then the next thing, when you get inside, you will see on their back office they have different people who can actually speak on your behalf. So I normally use this one, and I also use this one. And then you go to create at the top, and after you have to select the person who's going to speak, and then I select this one, and then all I do, I just paste whatever I want this person to say. So for example, I'll go to Google and just type what I want to say, and then the next thing that I do, I just select the type of voice that I want. So I normally use this guy, so you can just go and check the voice that you want to use.
Ripple CEO Garling,
so you can see now, and then the next thing, then you just generate the video. So by just going to Google and find the news of what's happening recently, you can do the same thing, and then after, I'll just generate this video. I then go to CapCut to add captions. Set the title, captions at the bottom, and now I am ready to export this video. Then I'll upload on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and that way money is going to be made from this. And I say it doesn't matter where you come from, who you are, what you do. You too can make money online. And please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Link on bio.